Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, we are making this healthy pancake, and also I will be showing you the secret ingredient of this pancake. So keep watching and don't touch that down. So let's cook. I have my bananas. I will go ahead to peel them into a clean bowl. If you have a very ripe banana, you can use it. And if you don't also have a very ripe banana, you can also use it as well. The main thing is that you should have banana in your pancake. So I'll just go ahead to mash this up until I get the desired puree I am looking for. So guys, if you have watched up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe. Now that I'm done with that, I will set that aside. I'll go ahead to crack my 2 eggs into the mashed banana. As I was saying guys, please don't forget to subscribe, share this video, like this video. Thank you so much for watching up to this moment. The next thing I'll be doing is to whisk this up until everything combined fully, and I will then set aside. Another ingredient I will be adding is the almond milk. Don't worry, I will leave the list of ingredients in the comment section. I will be adding white vanilla extract at this point. Now I'll be adding vegetable oil. Next, I will go ahead to whisk everything up until is fully combined. Thank you guys for watching up to this moment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Always subscribe, please. If today is the first time you're coming across this video, you are welcome here. This is another secret, which is my oat powder or oat flour. This is the main secret, which is my chia seed. I blended this up. Now I'll be adding baking powder. I'll be adding baking soda as well. Then I will go ahead to add some salt, and then I will add nutmeg, and thereafter I will whisk everything together. So these are all the ingredients you want, or you will be needing, or you need in this healthy pancake. So guys, if you don't have any of all these ingredients, you can still go ahead to make your pancake. After whisking everything together, I will go ahead to spray some oil. You can use butter on a clean pan and allow to hot. Thereafter, I'll just go ahead to scoop those butter into the hot oil, and then with my silicone spatula, I will spread this out, making sure that everything is well spread out, and I'll allow this to cook in a low medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes before flipping the other side. As you can see, the up has cooked. Then I'll go ahead to flip it. I'll allow that to also cook as well. So guys, this is our pancake. So I went ahead to just garnish it up with some berries. Now I'll be adding some maple syrup. If you don't have, you can skip this, and thereafter our healthy, delicious, yummy and tasty pancake is ready. Guys, what will you be pairing this pancake with? For me, I went ahead to use some hot tea. You can use chocolate, you can use milk, depending on what you have to pair this up. Thank you guys for watching the video up to this point. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. That's all for today. I'll be seeing you in my next video. And don't forget to keep eating good food. See you guys. Bye bye.